Have you ever woke up to something like this? This is an absolute crazy hairstyle that could happen from when you're sleeping, after you get out of bed in the morning and you're just like, oh my gosh, my hair is absolute chaos. What can I do to style this quickly? I've got 15 minutes, I have school, I've got work, I gotta get out of the house quickly. I need a way to fix this. All right, first things first. If you don't like the hair sticking straight up, guess what? Pat it down like this, right? You start to pat it down and you're gonna try to deflate the hairstyle, and literally within 2 seconds, I've already deflated it. All right? Now, what you also can do is start to think to yourself, how do I normally style my hair? And then what can I do to get that shape as quickly as possible into my hair? So let's say, now that we've patted it down, we've got minutes and minutes, you don't have time to wash your hair. You may end up, having to use something like, Tidal Wave, where you spray 2 spritzes in the hair just to tame it, add a little bit of texture and some dampness to it, and then you can go in and kind of give it a little bit more control, because now you can see just with that little bit of water from the product, you're able to tame it quickly. Next thing that's going to be great with Tidal Wave is that you can actually use it like a dry shampoo. So if your hair is a bit on the dirtier side or somewhat oily, this actually soaks up the oils. That's what's amazing about Tidal Wave specifically that a lot of other products don't have. And again, I created this as a 30+ year hairstylist, so I know what I'm talking about with this. Tidal Wave acts like a dry shampoo and it helps soak up these oils. So that's gonna help you to actually really be able to not have your hair look or feel really, really oily. Then the next thing is starting to work the shape into the style. If your hair goes a certain direction and you want to lay quickly, you could see, if I go the opposite, watch what happens. It stands straight up. But when I style the hair more downwards like this, you could see that it automatically starts to go a bit closer to the head, right? So you have to then work it in. And I go, okay, so what do I have to do to make my hair look manageable, right? And shape it in so that it actually looks somewhat presentable. Well, which way is my hair going that's making it it's gonna look flatter to the head and more complementary? All right, so I'm working and just flowing this down, and then I realize, okay, well, this actually looks so much better than before, because this is literally how I typically would wear my hair. Okay, I got that, and boom, within seconds, now we're done. May it be perfect? Does it look exactly like maybe how you want it? But look how you're able to manipulate the hair within seconds just by going with the way that your hair grows, understanding how your hair maneuvers and manipulates when you work with it with your hands. And also, it's just understanding your hair and getting comfortable with almost being like a stylist, right? Pretend you're a hairstylist, pretend you're a barber. Go in there, mold it and shape it, and do what you have to do to make it look good. A lot of it's, going with the direction of the hair, because if you go against the way your hair and the way it grows, it's gonna want to do the opposite. Like I demonstrated, this is stitched to go downwards. Watch this. When I lift, look at how much that's sticking up. How many of you have hair like this to where it sticks up like this? Well, guess what? Because of the length of the hair, that weighs down that hair, and then because I'm going downwards now, boom, problem solved. It lays much flatter. And then you just go in and you work it and tweak it until it's perfect. So a lot of this can be done within seconds or a minute or so. If you're really in a pinch, you're out the door, first things first is, maybe you need to dampen the hair with Tidal Wave because you're getting the water and then you're getting the sea salt benefits to be able to soak up those oils, and then start to really work your hair in the shape that it naturally goes, and then you start to form it and work it in. And then chances are you're really gonna have a much better hair day than what you first started with, having it stick out all over the place. So let me know if you found this video helpful. Please like the video, comment down below, subscribe. If you want to purchase any of my products, like Tidal Wave, my #1 bestseller, and get the benefits from it, use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.